Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to convert a Word document to an image window. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we take some paragraphs. Now we want to convert Word document to an image. Go to the file menu and click new. Then create a blank document. Then we go to the insert menu and click screenshot, then screen clipping. Now we take a screenshot on this document and we can see here this is an image. We create an image to a Word document. We go to the format menu, then click wrap text option and choose in front of text. Now we can see here this is an image. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.